Okay, so I just stumbled on this project called PentestGPT. It's basically a Gen AI tool for cybersecurity, focusing on penetration testing.
Wait, seriously. A tool like that could change the way we approach security. How does it even work?
It uses advanced reasoning from large language models to tackle various penetration testing challenges and even integrates with Docker.
That's fascinating, but how does it handle session persistence? I mean, isn't that tricky with penetration testing?
Right? It allows you to save and resume your sessions, which seems super useful. Imagine not losing progress after a long test.
Totally, but I wonder if there are risks involved in saving session data. What if sensitive info gets stored accidentally?
Good point. The creators emphasize it's for educational use only, but it does collect some anonymous usage data for improvements.
So it's like they're walking a tightrope between utility and security. But what about the integration with local models?
That's another cool feature. It can connect to local LLM servers, making it super flexible for users who want control.
I like that. But could that also lead to inconsistencies if the local model isn't as reliable as the cloud ones?
Exactly, and I wonder how often those local models get updated. If they lag behind, it could create vulnerabilities.
Right? And with cyber threats evolving so quickly, keeping pace is crucial. So what's this about multi-category support?
Oh, it covers everything from web vulnerabilities to forensics and privilege escalation. It's like a one-stop shop.
That diversity is impressive. But is there a risk that it might be spread too thin? Like, can it really excel in all those areas?
You might be onto something. Specialization often leads to better results, right? But the versatility is certainly appealing.
Absolutely. And the real-time feedback feature sounds helpful. Watching it work live must be quite a learning experience.
For sure, but it also raises a question. How do you ensure the AI doesn't miss crucial steps during real-time operations?
That's a valid concern. If it skips steps, users could misinterpret the data or, worse, miss vulnerabilities.
Right, and then there's the ethical side. With great power comes great responsibility. Are users ready for that?
You're hitting on a crucial point. This tool could be misused if it falls into the wrong hands. That's scary.
Definitely, it's like giving a sword to someone without teaching them how to wield it responsibly.
And then there's the matter of accreditation. Who verifies that users are qualified to use such a powerful tool?
Exactly, that's a gap that needs addressing. Maybe a certification could help ensure users are knowledgeable.
Great idea. It could add a layer of trust and accountability, but would that make it less accessible?
True, there's a balance to strike. Too many barriers could deter legitimate users while not enough could lead to misuse.
It's a complex balance, but I love how it encourages a conversation about responsible tech use. That's crucial.
Absolutely, and it's an opportunity to rethink our approach to cybersecurity as a whole.
So, if we put all this together, what do you think is the biggest takeaway for potential users?
I think it's the duality of power and responsibility. Users need to be prepared for both.
That makes sense. And maybe it can also be a catalyst for better education around cybersecurity practices.
Yes, this could lead to more informed users who understand risks and benefits. That's a win-win.
Great, I feel like I need to dig deeper into this. It's full of implications for the future.
Same here, there's so much to unpack. Cybersecurity is evolving quickly, and tools like this are at the forefront.
Exactly. And it leaves us with this thought. How do we make sure advancements in tech don't compromise safety?
Wow, that's the million-dollar question. It's a challenge for developers, users, and society at large.
Definitely. I can't wait to see how the landscape shifts in response to tools like PentestGPT.
Same, this feels like just the beginning of a much larger conversation about AI in cybersecurity.
Totally. Let's keep our eyes peeled for future developments. There's a lot to look forward to.
For sure, and who knows, maybe we'll see even more innovative solutions emerge.
Definitely. It's exciting to think about how these technologies could reshape the field.
Agreed, let's keep this discussion going. I feel like we've just scratched the surface here.
Absolutely. I'm in. This is the kind of dialogue that can drive real change.